Hey there! Are you craving a delicious Mediterranean dish that'll make your family ask for seconds? Today, I'll show you how to make the most incredible moussaka, a Greek lasagna that's pure comfort food. With layers of tender eggplant, seasoned minced beef, and creamy bechamel sauce, this dish is a total game changer. Don't worry about the ingredients. You'll find everything you need in the description below. Let's make some magic happen in the kitchen. All right, let's start with our eggplants. We'll slice them into nice, even rounds, about ½ inch thick. Sprinkle them generously with salt and let them sit for anywhere between 20 to 60 minutes. This helps draw out any bitterness and excess moisture, making them perfect for our moussaka. Time to prep those eggplants for cooking. Give them a good rinse to wash off that salt. Then pat them dry really well with paper towels. I like to roast mine in the oven until they're beautifully golden, but you can totally fry them if you prefer. Both ways work great. Now let's get our meat sauce started. Grab your favorite pan and heat up that olive oil over medium heat. Toss in those chopped red onions and let them do their thing until they become soft and translucent. They'll smell amazing.
And if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The non-stick pan I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference.
Here comes the good stuff. Drop in that minced garlic and let it cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then add your ground beef. Break it up with a wooden spoon and cook until it's nicely browned all over. No pink spots left. Okay, time to amp up the flavors. Stir in that tomato paste first, then splash in the wine. Love that sizzle. Add your beef stock, passata, a touch of sugar, and those warming spices. The cinnamon really makes this dish special. Trust me. Let's let all those flavors get to know each other. Turn the heat down to low and let everything simmer away for about 20 to 30 minutes. You want the sauce to thicken up nicely. It should coat the back of your spoon. Moving on to our bechamel. This is where the magic happens. Melt that butter in a saucepan, then whisk in your flour until it's smooth. Keep whisking while you gradually pour in the warm milk. This prevents any lumps from forming. Keep stirring that bechamel until it's thick and gorgeous, about 5 to 7 minutes. Take it off the heat and let it cool slightly before stirring in the cheese. Once it's not too hot, beat in those eggs. They'll make it super creamy when baked. Let's get our oven ready at 180 degrees Celsius while we start assembling. Grab your baking dish and start layering. Potatoes first, if you're using them. Then a layer of those beautiful roasted eggplants. Make sure everything's evenly spread out. Next comes that amazing meat sauce we made. Spread it all over those eggplants. Then add another layer of eggplants on top. It's starting to look like a proper moussaka now. Pour that luxurious bechamel sauce all over the top. Make sure it covers everything. Sprinkle some extra cheese on top, because, let's be honest, can you ever have too much cheese? Pop it in the oven for 35 to 45 minutes, until it's golden brown and bubbling. The hardest part is waiting. But trust me, it's worth it. Let your moussaka rest for at least 15 to 30 minutes before serving. This helps it set up properly, so you can get those perfect squares when you cut into it.